How to create a shared Google Calendar. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up Google Calendar, and after that, on the left hand side panel, you would be able to find different calendars. If you want to create a new one, you can simply create a new one by clicking on this option of plus and then creating a new one. And after creating your calendar of your choice, just simply select any particular calendar. You would be able to find three dots right beside it. Simply click on it, then select the option of settings and sharing. Simply click on it. Here you would be able to see the calendar settings. Simply scroll down, and here you would be able to find the option of this access permissions for the events. Make sure that you tick this up, and after that you can click on this option of get shareable link and just copy this particular link and share it up with any of the person of your team or any of the group that you want to share this particular calendar with. And this way you would be able to create a shared calendar, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.